Battle of the bots. Telegram trading bots have exploded. In this video, I'm going to go over trading bots that I think have great upside, and I'm going to go over the charts. I'm going to share my entries, and if you subscribe, I have a Telegram trading bot that has not been released, that has not exploded, and you can get in early, and I'll be sharing that hopefully in the next week or two. But right in front of us, we have some amazing setups. We're going to go over some of the most popular trading bots: Unibot, Banana, Aimbot, and we're going to go over trading setups, where I think a good entry would be. You can see the market exploding right now. Look at this. Look at these gains. And with Telegram trading bots, they're down in the gutters. So we're going to start with Unibot. If you want to learn how to use Unibot, I have a tutorial on that. You can go watch it or go find out on YouTube. This is more so the opportunity with where the chart is, with where I think price is going. And the narrative with Telegram trading bots is at all-time highs. People are using them. They're earning a ton of fees. And I think with the bull market here and increase of users, we're going to see an increase of usage on Telegram trading bots with the fees they earn, and more people are going to use them because they're just easy to use and trade on the go. Like, it's extremely easy to use. So this is Unibot. You can see that it started very low and exploded to $226. You can see that this channel it's been trading in, it's a great place to accumulate. It's a great place to try and buy at the bottom of the channel, $40. I saw a huge divergence with RSI making higher highs and higher lows, and with the price making lower lows and lower highs. A clear divergence, and I thought we were going to pop off here, but we came back down. You can see that this support is testing this prior resistance, which I like to see. This was an amazing entry. I think this was the Unibot hack where it wasn't private keys. I'm not sure the exact details. It doesn't really matter. And they did pay back everybody. So what I'm seeing here is a pullback into support. $40 region would be great to buy. And then we're hoping for another bounce here. So that's just almost 100% move in itself. But the best case scenario is if it breaks above it, retests, and starts making its way back. The tools, I mean, Unibot revolutionized the Telegram trading game. They really made it popular. The Unibot X and what they're introducing, it's all great stuff. But I care more about the price. So that is the best case scenario. Bounce, give us a perfect entry at $40, make your way back up. We might see some consolidation like we did here, like we did here, even here. So it might not just bounce, you might see it, flirt with that region before it bounces up. You might even see it pop below. So what you might do at that case is when it pops back up here, this is where you would buy. And I'm not going to spend too much time because we got to keep the show going. And that is that's my game plan for Unibot. I'm going to try and buy around 40 and then maybe exit a little bit at 70. And if it's looking weak, maybe exit my position to try and play the trade again, because I'll keep doing it till it doesn't work. And then I would be looking for the next TP around $110, probably more around the $100 mark, that large round psychological number, $100. So 110 looks very juicy. Like, that's where I think we would get rejected again, right here. But we've seen shit just blast off. $40 entry, $100 TP. You're looking at approximately 138% move, which I'm happy with. So that is Unibot. We are going to check out Banana, and then I have a really great one, Aimbot, if you're not familiar with it. The banana price action isn't as enticing as Aimbot and Unibot. If we look at fees generated on DeFi Llama, and these are fees generated in Ethereum, let's search Unibot. Let's see where it's at. 37. Still pretty impressive, not gonna lie. Let's search Banana. 55. So it's losing in that battle. You can see the fees in the last 24 hours was $689. Let's It's not impressive at all, honestly. So not as large as I thought. And then Aimbot. Is Aimbot on here? I thought it was. Maybe it's not on here. Let me just check. Ethereum, I think. Let me go Aimbot. Oh, it is. Come on. Fees in the last 24 hours, 4 grand. So let's look at that. 4 grand. Aimbot's doing work. It's right here. It's right behind Unibot. And Aimbot will go into right after Banana. So Banana coming back, testing the MA right here, testing the prior high right here, and it's landing in a really great support area. But if you look at the RSI, we've broken under 50. I think we didn't continue to make higher highs and higher lows. The market structure is broken, and I do expect us to go a little bit lower. Like this would be a juicy buy, $9.65. If it could fall another 23%, maybe we could look into it. It's not as enticing as Unibot, which has the large name, the user base, and the price action. Like that channel is juicy. I want to get at the bottom of the channel and even just selling at the top of the channel. So battle the bots, Banana's out of it, Unibot's #1 right now. Let's go to Aimbot. Ooh, now that's a juicy chart. I was looking at it here and I didn't take action. So now I am going to look for a good entry. Same thing here. Let's move this a little bit up. You can see that it's retesting the prior high here. It's built a really nice support here, and it's just been bouncing between the support and resistance, $7 to the $10 region. So approximately 44%. So I'm looking for price to get back into the $7.30 area. If we look at Aimbot though, it's the only AI you'll ever need. Of course, a lot of these TG bots offer you incentives, rewards for holding, discounts for using the bot. What I think is cool here is you have the AI portfolio. So just by holding, Aimbot has implemented an AI bot and they actually give you returns. So you can see weekly it's made 10 ETH, about 49% generated from tax. You can see how much has been made as well. And then monthly you can see it's crushing 83 ETH from launch, 534 ETH, and then you can see the amount of tax that it's generated as well for people buying and selling, and of course using the bot. So they are sharing the rewards, and just from that, depending on your size, you could earn a little bit, but if you're a whale, maybe it's decent. The price action is what really gets me. Look at this. We couldn't put in a high here. So same thing here. I'm looking for price to come down into the $7.20 area and then maybe consolidate for a while and then take back off. I don't think Telegram trading bots are dead. We're seeing a lot of heat in the market. It's just not on the bot side right now. I think we'll see a ton of usage. I think we'll see, more volume, more users, with the market moving into a bull market with us just smashing through highs. So same game plan here that we would do on Unibot. If we come back down, wait till we re-break this and then accumulate here. Get your entry here. At the resistance, you might want to shave a little bit. And on here, that's just takeoff. If we break above, come back and retest and take off, maybe work our way back to all-time highs. So if you're buying at $7 and you're looking for an all-time high move, approximately 200%, around Unibot's 130, 150% would be pretty reasonable, honestly. Where I was saying take profits at $100, maybe you would want to take profits first at the $10 area, and then maybe so around this prior high at $15. But if we are moving in this motion, breaking this resistance, making higher highs and higher lows, I think we're going to keep going. I think this is just kind of cooling off right now, consolidating, whatever you want to call it, before we go to make all-time highs again. Unibot had a ton of hype, and we saw a lot of bots come and take share and offer different tools that Unibot doesn't have. But I think seeing all-time high, this isn't financial advice, is possible with Unibot. We may see it, but what I'm more interested in is better bots coming to the market, and we have early access into them or just knowledge of them. And these bots create you wallets in TG, so they actually you're not in control of your private keys. You can lose your funds using these trading Telegram bots. So the one I found, you actually own your private keys, and there's a lot of different things that they offer. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. I'm just waiting for a little bit more info, and I'll put it in front of you guys. I'll make a video, we'll test it out, and hopefully we're early enough so we can catch it from the downside, from inception, from right here, and then we're riding it to all-time highs. So I wanted to make a quick video on trading bots. They've done extremely well. They're pulling back right now. You can see markets flying. These are just crushing, but Telegram trading bots are in the gutters, and that gives us a great opportunity. We got to be a little bit more patient, and then we can snipe that great entry. So hit the subscribe button, drop a like, comment, join the Discord, it's free. Let's make some crazy money this bull run. I'll see you guys in the next video.